I just kind of wanted to share this. Looks like a bunch of pieces of wood, which is wood. That's exactly here. Come on, go. Yeah. It's actually how I'm gonna get the level 5 out, because with the angle it's at, I'm basically using only upper body strength basically, and it's at a weird angle too where you can't get a good grasp on it, so it's not the easiest to get out. But this is what I was going to do. I was going to kind of step it incrementally, raise it on each side up and up and up about 3 inches, where I can grab the basket rather than the lip. But what I'm going to do is like have one of these on each side, the left and right side, probably t-shirt under each one so they don't scratch the paint. Do that, lift it up again, put those right there, so it'll be 1.5 inches up off of the baffle. Do it again, you have 2.25, and then do it again with this, and have 3 inches up on each side. Not sure if it's going to work, but thought I'd just record this, so if it does work, maybe for some of you guys who have Tahoes or trucks like mine or something, where you get weird angles because the box is tall and the sub's got a big depth, so to get it out of the box it almost touches the roof. This is hopefully what's going to work, so once it gets to here I can kind of grab it on the front or the back, or just get some kind of better handle on it, where even if I can get the majority of my hands in on the rim, on the basket. But I'm gonna try this out for once. So I'm gonna use pieces of cardboard as the pad. Actually, let me do this. Okay, as you can see, have some good clearance now. This bitch is so heavy. Fucking worked. Look. Well, okay, it worked. All that stuff right there is sawdust from when the holes were drilled in first, because I didn't pre-drill it, because I wanted to fucking grip on it. But it's out. Got a little bit of body heat going on in here. Ah. That's the noise I'm talking about. Dun, dun, dun.